Hello students, welcome to the new session of our online English class. And here in this class we are going to study about phonetics. Yes, phonetics. So let us know what is phonetics. It is a discipline in linguistic, or we can say in language, which deals with the transcription of sounds. Means phonetic means the sound of the letters. The units are called phonemes. There are three kinds of phonemes: vowels, consonants, diphthongs. Diphthongs are the union of two vowels in the same syllable. So, what have you? So, what is phonetics? It is a discipline in language or linguistic which deals with the transcription of sounds. So, now phonetics is divided into three parts: articulatory phonetics, acoustic phonetics, and auditory phonetics. The study of the vocal organs and how they produce speech sound is known as articulatory phonetics. And a study of the physical properties of speech sounds as sound wave is known as acoustic phonetics. Now, what is auditory phonetics? The study of how speech sounds in the form of sound waves are perceived and processed by ears, nervous system, and brain. This is known as auditory phonetics. So, if we come to know the meaning of the prefix phone, it is sound. Now let us know about the ways of sound production, or how the sound is produced from our mouth. The manner of articulation has to do with the kind of obstruction the air meets on its way out after it has passed the vocal folds. So sound of the letters depend on the obstruction. When the air is passing and there is obstruction, and on that obstruction depends the sound of a particular letter. It may meet a complete closure, which is known as plosives, an almost complete closure, which is known as fricatives, or a small degree of closure, which is known as approximants, or the air might escape in more exceptional ways around the sounds of the tongue, which is known as laterals, or through the nasal cavity. So these are the ways. These are little bit more biological and scientific, but you should, because it is a branch of your study, you must know about these study of phonetics. So you should know how the sounds are coming from our mouth, how the obstruction of air causes differentiation in the sounds of different letters. So because we are dealing with phonetics, phonemes, and spellings in the book phonics and spelling part, so we should know what is phonetics. And earlier people used to teach the students like A for apple, B for bat, but now the basic learning has been shifted towards more emphasizing on phonetics, that is the sound of the letters. So rest we will do in the next session. Goodbye.